Yeah. So, I mean, first off, Craigellachie do not peat their barley, and if they do, it's Holly would tell you it may be like 1 or 2 ppm.
Imperceptible if it's,
It's
yeah.
completely imperceptible. However, it's an oil driven heat that they're using, so you do get the potential for this phenolic kind of content, this like sootiness coming through. But there is most definitely a smoke and peatiness going on in that whiskey. And so initially we thought, okay, well, like many other Speyside distilleries or Highland distilleries, they'll maybe they do a short peating run. 1 week or 2 weeks out of the year they do peating. We come to find out that they don't do that.
Hmm.
And so the only thing that we can guess is that when they received the cask to fill, that the cask itself had a bunch of peated staves in it, or maybe it was an Isla cask or like a peated Highland cask, because the smoke is unmistakable. It is there. In
And this
fact,
is sorry,
yeah,
we were just talking about milk and honey and how their peated expression, it's getting all of the peat from the cask.
all the
And
peat from the cask. Yeah,
it's very present. So this could make sense that you'd get that much smoke just
yeah.
from a cask.
Penderyn does a similar thing with their Celt and peated. They're using peated casks to impart a smokiness. And we released an Inchmarin a couple of years ago, 20 years old, that was matured in a peated Croftengaya cask, which is Loch Lomond's peated spirit. So it definitely happens enough. So it would make sense that that's where that came from. So, but it surprised us when we first tasted it, and we tasted it blind. It tasted more like a Lechig than it did Craigellachie, because I love Craigellachie. I absolutely love it. There's no way it has to be Lechig. And when we were told it's Craigellachie, it took me by surprise, but it was so good. We couldn't say no to it. And it ended up being a fun story to tell. So,
Yeah. Well, I like Craigellachie and Lecheg, so I've not gotten to taste this one yet, so I need to,
okay.
hopefully maybe we don't sell all of them and I get or some nice customer wants to open one for me.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Yeah. So that's a really cool kind, and it's like the fun you have with these independent bottlings is you can get such a different style of expression.
Completely.
So
Yeah.
yeah, really exciting one.